make my life, baby, my life. And I don't see no difference. Really like to see you, babe. I make it mine, I make it mine. Make it mine, I take it down. Break it down, I break it down. Love me like.
Hello guys, how you doing? Been a while, yes it's true, but I am back for another review on the wig, and today we are using the Oh My God Queen. Yes, we are all queen our own now, and this is the link of the website. And today I'm doing my first human hair, Brazilian hair, virgin hair precisely. A look that you can use it every day. But let me keep you for long. It's a bob style, and it is like they call it Beyonce style bob hair, cut, natural lace, wig, sleek, straight, Brazilian virgin hair. So long, don't they? But yeah, so this is this amazing hair that I believe must be 12 or 14 inch. I remember because I purchased it a long time ago, and you can see it's a middle part with some holding your hair free, like both sides, the front and also the back somewhere. That's it. So this wig, if you want, you can add the glue, you know, this one and this one, but for this purpose of this video I'm not going to use it, you know, because you know, I don't want to have some trace here. So yeah, but it's really up to you, but at the end of the day it's holding it well. So for those who know me, I always like to wear my wig on the side. I don't know why, but it just worked well for me. Let's say I'm holding the back. You can see how sleeky it is. Yeah, you see, it's not really compulsory you really want to wear glue, but this is color 2. It's not really black. Color 2, and if you want you can tongue it. I'm gonna use my Remington straight hair. So yeah, this hair is just like it's a bob style, as you can see, the front and the back. Washing it, you use a conditioner. Yeah, pretty simple. I really love this hair. Yeah, obviously the price the price was like £89. That's because it's on sale at the moment, guys. Yeah, if you check their website, they're on sale at the moment. So yeah, I just love it. You know, you won't protect, maybe to see how it is at the front, I mean the middle. This is how it looks like as well, but me doesn't, so it doesn't work. I always do it on the side. Oh, it's really painful. So the heat on your straightener, don't put it too high. I would recommend probably less than 150, or yeah, less than 200. Let's put it that way. Yeah, it's already hot. So just tongue the edge basically to keep that bob style. That's it. And then you can add like a spray, like oil. And really, if you want like to make it really natural, you add a concealer. So this wig I've really is one of the best I'll say so far from OMGQueen. That's it. It reminds me one of my previous wig that I did a review about, the Vela Vela. It looks the same, but the difference is there's a human hair, which you can tongue it, keep it cool. That's it. You can see really great. That's it. So guys, what do you think about this wig? If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time for the next video.